Hi everyone, welcome once again to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to use this amazing feature on Canva, which is called the Magic Studio. So let's dive in. Let me show you what I'm trying to say. So first of all, I'm going to just click any of the size. Let's say customize my size. Because I'm using the premium version, I can always resize my Canva work area anytime. Okay, so this is my work area. So let's say I want to resize it to let's say I want to use the YouTube size, which is YouTube thumbnail. So I'm going to say resize. Okay, so you can see now this is the size it has given to me, which is my YouTube size, right? So this particular feature I want to show you is going to help you should in case you are trying to add a background to a particular image that you have. So for example, I go to my upload and I'll show you some pictures that I generated. This is one of the pictures. Okay, so this is a picture I generated with ChatGPT using the consistent character application that they have. So if for example I want to generate a background for this particular image, I want this background to fill in the whole of this image, or still I come back again to this particular one that has a nice feature at the back. You see this background now for this particular picture. If I want it to fill the whole of this design you're seeing here, that the whole of this shape here, which is the YouTube thumbnail size, you know that it's not possible. Okay, so but there is this particular feature on Canva that enables you to generate a background so easily for free using this feature here on Canva. So what do I do? I'm going to click on the image and then I head over to where I have my tools. I'm going to come here to where you have edit image. That's edit this particular picture. Okay, so I'll click on edit this picture now, and I'm going to look for where you have Magic Studio. Okay, that's Magic Expand. So under Magic Studio you see Magic Expand. So I click on Magic Expand and automatically it's going to ask me to select how I want it to be. So I'm going to say the whole page, so it's going to resize into the whole of the YouTube thumbnail size. Okay, and then I'm going to say expand. So it's going to generate a background for this particular picture here without stretching the image itself. So just give it a few seconds. It's going to be done doing that for us. So you can see what is happening on my screen. So can you see it has automatically generated the background for us without doing anything to the main picture. And if I do not like this particular background, I still have option to regenerate or even check the ones they've given to me, check other ones that are here and decide, okay, I love this. So you can see now this is actually nice. If I do not want this also, I can check the next one. I think this one has a background, a picture at the back, which makes it invalid. I don't like this one because the picture at the background is not showing so well. So if I love this particular first one, I can now go ahead and use this. If I love the second, I can go ahead and use the second as well. If I love the third, I go ahead and say done. Okay, and if I don't like it also, I can also click on generate new result. That I'm going to regenerate it for it to give us a new style. So that's how to use this particular feature called Magic Studio on your picture. So if you have a picture, your personal picture that has a background, and you want to be able to expand the whole of the background to fill in. Let's see, for example, I have my personal pictures here. Let me see if I can get one. Okay, so you see this particular picture here now. Let me just add a page, add a new page. This particular picture here, this is my own personal picture. This is I think this is a pixel version of my own picture I uploaded to ChatGPT, and it generated this for me. So I'm going to do the same thing to this particular picture now. So let's go back to where we have our magic media, sorry, I go to where I have my edit this particular picture, and I'm going to look for magic studio, and I come back to where you have magic expand. So look for magic expand, and then I'm going to say whole page. So you see how it is, and I'm going to say expand. So it's going to find a way to give a background to this particular picture. So this is more useful when you're in a situation where you do not want to start looking for how to remove the background and trying to place your picture on the background on its own. So you can see what it gave to me now. Can you see? You see how it looks? If I do not like this, I can say, okay, let's check out the other ones. If I don't like this too, I'm going to generate the second one. If I don't like this either, all I need to do is to what? Regenerate and see new results. So that's how amazing this particular tool is. It enables you to generate a background for your pictures without having to do so much. Are you going to try this feature art? Let me know in the comment section. So I'm going to be showing you guys more amazing tools on Canva. See you in my next video. Bye for now.